Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Here is a quick tutorial on what to do after you replace the watch battery on your Casio G Shock. So as you can see right here on the back, after battery replacement you need to contact AC with minus using a pair of tweezers. And as you can see right here, we have an arrow that points right here, and then we have this metallic part where we have the minus sign. So what I'm going to do is to take the two tips of the tweezers and place them right where I am instructed to do so. So you can move it right here where you have the minus, this circle, hold it for a few seconds, and then your Casio watch should be reset. So that is something that you need to do in order to avoid all possible errors after your battery replacement. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and you can now replace the watch battery on your Casio G Shock. If you want to watch the full video, I will leave a link in the description below on how to replace the watch battery on your Casio G Shock. Once again, link in the description below. Thank you guys, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.